In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new project in DaVinci Resolve. By the end, you'll know exactly how to start a clean, organized project so you can jump straight into editing with confidence. First, open DaVinci Resolve from your computer like you normally would. When the application launches, you'll arrive at the Project Manager. This is the home base where all your projects live. Think of it as a library, showing any existing projects, and the place where new ones will be created. If you're seeing thumbnails or an empty grid, you're in the right spot. Look toward the bottom right corner of this window and find the New Project button. It's easy to miss if you're scanning around the center of the screen, so head to that lower right area and click it. This tells Resolve you want to start fresh, and it opens a small pop-up so you can give your project a proper name. In the pop-up, type a clear, descriptive name for your project. Good naming pays off later, especially when you have multiple edits on the go. Consider something that reflects the client or topic and add a date or version number so you can tell drafts apart at a glance. Avoid special characters like slashes or question marks, as those can cause issues on some systems. Using underscores or dashes is a safe and tidy approach. The more consistent you are with naming, the easier it will be to search and sort your work later. Once you've entered the name, click Create. Resolve will immediately open your new project, bringing you into the main interface. Depending on your settings, you might land in the Cut page or the Edit page. Either way, that's normal, and it simply means your project is ready for media, timelines, and everything you'll build from here. You haven't altered any of your system files yet. You've just created a project container inside your Resolve library. A couple of quick pointers as you begin working in this new project. Your choice of name is only a label inside Resolve's project library, so you can rename it later if needed. Also, you don't have to worry about technical settings at this moment. You can adjust project settings like resolution or frame rate after creation, once you know what footage you'll be using. And that's it. Launch DaVinci Resolve, click New Project in the bottom right, type a thoughtful name, and click Create. You're now set up and ready to start editing in a clean, organized workspace.